So hi everyone, in this video we will configure JSON web token on Django uh, Python framework. Okay, so as you know that JSON web token is a new way to connect with the backend, right, and to get the data. So we use JSON JWT for login and logout purpose. Okay, for credential purpose or login inside the backend to our application, and it will make this process simple, so you don't have to repeatedly uh, pass the password and username on your front end for getting the data from the application. Okay, so you can do it using the JWT. So JSON web token on Django web framework we can do using a simple package of Python called as simple JWT. So first we will see that how to get install that package on your PC, right? So for that I will search simple JWT. Okay, you will see this website, just go to this, right, and this website will provide you the contents. Okay, so all the things are mentioned here, you can follow step by step. So what we will do, we will click on next. Okay, so first of all we have to install this package. Okay, this Python package PowerShell. So I will, for that I will use Windows PowerShell. Okay, and log in and run it as administrator, right? So in case you install this, okay, so you can let me split the window. Okay, so now it will be used. Okay, so where am I? You can see Abdul Qayyum. Okay, so now do the installation. Install Django REST framework simple JWT. Okay, so you can see I already installed that package. So in your case it will show you that the required package has been installed, right? So one more package is there, we will install that also. Okay, so this one is that. So we will say crypto, right, and it will install the same for us. Okay, so it's also installed on my PC because previously I have done that. So now coming to the project configuration, what we will do, so for now it is done. Okay, you also need to install the Django REST framework. So for that also you can use the pip install Django REST framework, right, and then a course header also. So make sure you install both of them. So after doing this, what we will do, we will open a folder in which we will create a new folder with the name as JWT. Okay, so coming back to inside our folder, what we will do, we will click shift F10. Okay, and it will land us on this option. Okay, so you will get this option and just open this with the VS Code. Okay, so you can see this, right? So for opening a terminal, what we will do, we will use Control Shift and tick, and you will get this terminal window. Okay, so first of all we have to create a project, Django project. For that what we will do, we will use a command, Django admin start project, then mention Django JWT. Okay, so go inside this project folder, right, you will see some files, right, you can see this. So this is the first folder which has been created inside, you can see these files. Now we have to install, we have to create a project, we have to create a app. So for that we will use start app JWT. Okay, so this will be our app inside a Django project. Okay, you can see everything is done. Now coming to the project, what we will do, we will go inside the settings.py file, right, So I will minimize this window, right? So this is our Django settings.py file. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, we will mention our app name, app JWT. Okay, then we will mention REST framework, right? Because this is also important. Now then we will use course headers. Okay, done. Okay, and coming to this, what we will do, course headers dot middleware dot course middleware. Okay, so this is the middleware that will help to connect with the front end as well as with the postman or anything else you are using. And then after that, what we will do, we will add one more parameter, course origin allow all is equal to true. Okay, so this will allow the external servers to connect with your Django app. Okay, so all of this is done. Okay, we are done with this. Now coming back to our explanation where it is. So first of all, we need to add these code of lines. Okay, so we will add this after middlewares. Okay, just remove these three dots. Okay, done. So this much is enough. Now for this, just copy this and we will go to our jwt. Okay, here we will create a new file, urls.py, right? urls.py, and just minimize, make sure you are inside the app of your Django project. Now from we will import urls, we will import path, and from import views also. Okay, now after that just mention this. Okay, just add this code of lines. What we will do, I'll remove this and this. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so we are done with this urls.py. Okay, you can also add this. Okay, so we will copy this and paste it here, right? And then also we will copy this line also. Okay, so this will be used to verify the token. Okay, this will be used to verify the token. Now coming back to the installed app, settings.py, we need to add one more thing here. In the installed apps, we need to add this. Okay, this line, rest of framework, simple JWT. Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, so now what we need to do, okay, so we have done with the settings.py file. What we need to do, we need to add our app urls.py file inside our project urls.py files. Okay, so for that I will include, and here just mention include app jwt urls. Okay, so this will include your app urls.py file also. Okay, so this is a project configuration. So we are done with this. Now first thing what we will do, python manage.py. Okay, just run make migrations. Okay, so make migrations will create a database entries for your new table, since we don't have, but we are just running it for our confirmation. And then execute this migrate, this will create the entire configuration for you. Okay, now after doing this, what we will do, we will create a super user. Okay, super user, create super user, create super user. Okay, so this will create a super user. Okay, 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 yes. Okay, so super user has been created. Okay, now we will run our server. Okay, so guys, in case of JWT na, what was happened here? Oh, we have done one mistake, you know. Okay, instead of middleware, I use this. Okay, now we are fine. Okay, if we run the server, no, it will run. Okay, done. So we are good with this project. Now, guys, coming to the views.py file, you don't need to mention any views for JWT token. Okay, in case you want to customize it, then you can use. You don't need a models.py file also. You can simply need a urls.py file, and these are the built-in views from the REST framework simple JWT package. Okay, so after doing all of this, we will test our application. Okay, so just first of all, we need to create a user, simple user. Okay, so we will create a user. Sakari. I will create a user with the name as Sakari. Okay, and just click on save. Okay, so coming to the users, you can see how it is responding to our requested. You have created a user name as Sakari, right? So after doing all of this, if you want to get the token, you just need to copy this endpoint. Okay, and just mention here at the end. Okay, and you will land on this. Okay, you will land on this. So first we will mention our user and then password, give the password and then post it. Okay, and you will get the token for this. Okay, you can see these are the tokens. Okay, for accessing this is the token, for refreshing this is the token, right? So this way guys we can set up the JSON web token. Okay, also we can verify it, verify. Okay, so we will mention our token here and just post it. Okay, okay, so you can see it is okay, right? Token has been verified. So this way guys it works, right? This way guys it works. So what more we can do, we can set up our token. So this is a simple way. What we will do, coming to the project configuration, installation, requirement, usage, the next. Okay, so these are the some parameters, you can do it. For example, access token lifetime should be 5 minutes, or you can increase it days also. Refresh token lifetime 1 days. Okay. So what I will do, I will just copy this, right, and paste it inside the settings.py file. Okay. Where it is. Okay. So I will mention it after this. Okay. We need to import the date time package also. Okay, now it is fine, it will work. Okay, so just run again. बापरे. Okay, now it is fine. Okay, now it is running. So if I refresh it, it will continue. Hmm? So if I mention Zachary and then give the password, it will send me the token. Okay, this is a token. Okay, you can click, you can carry it, copy it, and verify the token as well. Verify. Okay, for verification, enter it, post. Okay, so this way the JWT we can set up on Django. Okay, can mention it. Okay, so you can see it is giving us a server HTTP code as 200, so it is working, right. So this way guys we can set up the simple JWT on the Django. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.